Hey everybody, welcome to Tokyo Living 123 YouTube channel and home to 10K LRS, 10,000 Lakes to the Rising Sun, recently published book about life in Japan. And our Instagram site, Kominka_YMH3450. What you're seeing here is the backyard of our house. Our Kominka is a bamboo forest. And that was just the two utensils, dogu, we call them, for dealing with bamboo, our bamboo forest. So this quick video, is about 2.5 minutes, is just a quick look at our backyard and our bamboo forest and what we're doing with the bamboo. I gotta say, coming from Minnesota in the United States, we don't have bamboo. And I will say this tree is an amazing tree. Well, trees are amazing in general, but the use for this is great. And you can see what we're doing with it. That's what this video is all about. Take a look. I've cut down a number of these. And it's quite easy actually to cut down, and then you kind of chop off the branches with an axe. My neighbor showed me gave me a quick training on how to do it. And I've just kind of gone to town, as they say, started cutting down these, and then we're cutting them to a certain length. And we are turning this plot of land, as you see here, into a dog run for our dog. So we're going to build a bamboo fence around this to keep our dog from, chasing nature as the creatures come around to explore. And this is what we've done so far. The beauty, I'm not going to give you a time lapse like people usually do. I'm just going to do some quick cuts here with video, just so you can kind of get an idea of what we've done so far. Coming up on another cut here real quick. What we are going to do next is I am pounding down the cut bamboo, and then we are taking thinner bamboo and we're tying that to the posted bamboo, so it's it looks like a fence. You'll be able to see kind of what we're doing here shortly. It's time consuming, but it's definitely worth it. And I just like the fact that we use nature, using things rather than going to the home center and buying fences. We're creating our own, and that's what you can see right there. So thanks for watching. Come back next time for another video, or check out what I've got on the YouTube channel as it is if you haven't seen it. Thanks for watching.